Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Natural lighting. Macrofish. I'm in Debrecen now. The weather today is bad. I'm gonna be here for a few days. Hungarians and the way they cause it's just so it's so disgusting. So you guys, today I'm going to Debrecen. First off, we're making breakfast. So yeah, we have some ham, some tomatoes, we put some lemon on it. We're also gonna be eating some tuna. That looks so good. What's up you guys? Today is Friday, so I should have started this vlog days before, but nothing special, nothing has basically been happening in my life. I've just been indoors trying to edit and all that good stuff. So anyways, I'm going to take you guys with me to Debrecen and we'll see, we'll live the life and see how it goes there. All right, see you. Hey you guys, I'm on my way to my Oscar, I call it my Oscar driver or Oscar appointment. If you don't know what Oscar is, it's an app where you can book a driver for a ride. Weather today is bad. Oh, as people say, it's ghetto today. It's freezing. So anyways, I'm on my way to my Oscar. The driver will be waiting for me at Keleti at 8. She was about to say and the way they cause it's just so it's so disgusting. Once you understand the word for word meaning, yeah. So hey guys, I'm in Debrecen now. I have not even unpacked. Just trying to arrange my apartment. I'm gonna be here for a few days, which means I need to get comfortable. I'm also gonna be creating content, so whenever I have time, because I have some clients which I will have to make hair for even tomorrow. But whenever I have time, like 2 days from now, I have to create content, so I need to set the apartment good enough for that basically. So is that I'm gonna open the window. Some natural lighting. That's better. Alright. So you guys, I think I'm done. I don't think I want to do any other cleaning or arranging or anything. I'm tired. Let me show you the room real fast. I think I should actually show you when I'm done laying the bed and all that good stuff, but basically I have rearranged all these parts. So you guys, I want to show you my dinner. Ooh, some fish sauce. I'm actually just warming it up. I actually ate the first round already, to be honest. I had to rush out. So you guys, this is my food. This is round 2 actually. That is rice and beans with some fish. This is the head of the fish there. There's the middle part somewhere there. And yeah, I made this sauce with palm oil. This tastes so bomb. I'm eating second round, so I think you should know that by now. So good morning guys. So in case you're wondering why my voice is low, I have a housemate and I'm trying not to shout because she's still sleeping. It's about 5 a.m. right now. Let me confirm the time. Yeah, 5:50 is 9 a.m. Yeah, it's basically 6 a.m. let's say, but I've been up since 5 a.m. trying to prepare for my client. I have a client coming today. That's my alarm. So I have a client coming today at 9 a.m. to braid her hair. It's gonna be a long. Oh yeah, I had to wake up early to prepare the hair. This way it fastens the process. I like to take the hair the night before so I can prepare before my clients come. If I do it when they are here, it takes so much time and So anyways, I'm about to start preparing hair. I'm about to quickly go out to the bakery. I need to eat before I start work. No matter how long I live in Europe, I can never get used to this weather. I just cannot. My hands are outside my pocket and it's freezing. I'm back home and I didn't get the bread I was hoping they would have, but they had all the nice ones. This is the first one, some nice chocolate something. I don't know what it's called. The second one is this. I'm quite curious though because I saw some little chocolate thing inside it, so it has this cottage cheese in it. Oh my god, it is good. So this just happened. I just broke my tripod and I'm really sad because I actually really loved it. I also got some drinks. This aloe vera drink, it comes in different flavors. This one is the grape. They also have pomegranates. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The original aloe vera. I bought all the flavors they had on the fridge because my first time trying this drink was actually yesterday and I loved it so much. This is strawberry, there is blueberry, and yeah, that's all actually. They had 5 flavors altogether, including the original one. So I just want to show you what I'm having for dinner. That Asian noodle and some of the sauce I made last night for rice and beans. Yeah, and mackerel fish. It's very spicy and it's so nice, guys. I used habanero pepper, that's why it's so hot. So hey guys, good morning. This is the next morning after I made hair. Today's plan is to go shopping for food and what else? I wrote them down. I'm so tired. I was basically making hair from 9-10 a.m. till like 8:30 in the evening, and as I mentioned in my last video, there's a curfew at 8 p.m. which means I couldn't I was basically rushing from around 6 o'clock to finish the hair because it was quite long and I still had, and you know when you start braiding towards the front you have to make it smaller, so basically I was rushing. I actually woke up quite late than I usually do.